Pepe, classic, iconic Roman pasta dish, famous and loved by millions throughout the world. It is perhaps the ultimate example of how we take a small number of simple, humble ingredients and turn them into an absolute miracle on your dinner plate. It is one of the 4 classic Roman pasta dishes. The other 3 are listed in the description to this video. It is also a dish that I think everyone should know how to make. Thank you for watching this video. Now's the perfect time to hit that subscribe button. Cacio e Pepe translates into cheese and pepper. Not surprisingly, they are the 2 main ingredients. So for the cheese, I use a blend of Pecorino Romano, and yes, I do use Parmigiano Reggiano, which will infuriate some of the pure traditionalists. It's a 70-30 blend in favor of the Pecorino Romano. You'll take some peppercorns and freshly grate them. We're gonna toast them. You'll see that in a minute. And the final ingredient that deserves honorable mention is water. We use water in all sorts of ways. Okay, our water's at a boil. Notice that I've got under a half pot of water. That's because we want to use the absolute minimum amount of water so we get a higher starch concentration when we cook our pasta. Liberally salt it. Definitely want to taste the water. It should be closer to seawater than tap water. Okay, we're using spaghetti. You can use bucatini, you can use any long pasta that is thicker than a spaghetti. I dropped in a pound of pasta. The package says 10 to 12 minutes. I'm gonna let this cook for about 7, maybe 7.5 minutes to the point that it is well short of al dente. Then we're gonna let it finish cooking in the pan with the peppercorn, which you're gonna see in a minute. Ooh, peppercorn, it's so fragrant. So we're gonna toast the pepper. That's gonna activate the oil, that's gonna wake it up, and it is gonna pop in this dish. I have never been pepper sprayed, but I have been blasted by a facial of pepper steam. So do yourself a favor and stand back when you drop in your pasta water into the pan. Okay. It's time. That pasta is about to become al dente. So, into the pan it goes. Pan is never big enough. See, so we have this nice, it's like a cheese paste. It's a paste, it's smooth, and that is just right. Okay, in goes your blast of cheese paste. Now the key is you're gonna need to keep it moving around. You can see it emulsifying into a creamy, lovely, lovely sauce. Loosen it up just a bit more with pasta water. I'm not going to worry about the fact that I'm losing a few stray strands of spaghetti. Oh, beautiful. Look at that creamy sauce. Okay, time to serve it up. Cacio e Pepe, thank you for watching. Good luck in the kitchen. Absolutely learn how to make this dish. You'll always eat well. Bon appetit. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe for more content like this.